Alright guys, so today my friend is gonna train me in this massive gym. This is in Bangkok Muscle Factory, and here is my friend.
Hello.
Alexandra. What are you gonna train me today?
So today we're gonna train legs.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
It's gonna be really intense.
Yes.
And I'm really excited to get these tiny legs
like
going. It's gonna be exciting. We'll try to finish off quick,
Okay.
but keep it really intense. And I hope this session is gonna give you like a staple for you to follow when you train by yourself. So we're gonna start with some lunges, just to warm up the knees, warm up the joints, warm up the hips. How I want you to do the lunges, how you do normal lunges like this.
Yeah.
However, I want you to step a bit out and like long. I want you to do a long step out and then really sink into the hip so you feel the stretch in your groin, you feel the stretch in your hip, the stretch everywhere around here. And then you come up and then the same, out, then down. Ooh, that's really tight.
Do I press my hand like that?
No.
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 Okay.
Ideally, you don't keep your hands on your body.
Okay. So where should my hands be? Like that? No.
Nope.
Okay.
Like a ballerina, yes. Longer. The step has to be longer. And so your back leg should be as straight as possible.
Okay.
And go down, 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 down. And lean a bit forward. Yes. So sink really in. So your knee touches the floor. Yeah. And come back. Woo. Yes. Woo. Oh, that's so fucking cool. The camera is following you.
Yeah.
That's fucking amazing. Good.
But if I go too far, it will lose me, so I can't go too far.
Yeah. Do one more step and then go back.
Alright. Oh wow, I can feel the stretch.
Yeah, yeah.
Like I've already like done a workout in the with the machine. Oh,
Don't stop. Come on. Good.
wow.
All right.
I can't imagine if I put on dumbbells, that's gonna be more
Yeah,
burn.
well, this is just to warm up, so you don't really need dumbbells here. Nice. Well done. One more step. And now we move onto the actual workout.
Okay.
So we finish here just to warm up the groin, warm up the joints, warm up the knees and everything what's around it. And now we're gonna go and work on the parts of our body. We're gonna start working the individual parts of the body
Okay.
and the individual parts of the legs. So you have here, in between, you have your adductors, you have your quads, and you have your hamstrings and your calves. We're gonna, the knees, every muscle here, every group of muscles is attached to the knees. So in order for your knees to be warm, the muscles around it have to be warm.
Okay.
So we're gonna start working on our adductors first, and then we're gonna move on to our hamstrings in the back, and then we're gonna start with the quads, isolating. We're isolating every part.
Okay.
And then we go on to compound movements. The compound movements are compound. So it's in their name. They use multiple muscles in order to perform an exercise, like squats, like leg press, and stuff like that.